Hello all. Today's session we focus on development of AI languages. So developers in AI field, they always search for faster languages which are efficient. Means requirements in AI field is different from normal programming environment. Here we process a lot of data. Models learn a lot of things from the data. And we need some visualization things that we see how a model is working. So here developers always search for a good language that can computationally has a high speed and which has a sufficient number of libraries. So they always look for languages that can serve their requirements. So coming to these languages in AI field, in early days of AI, first language was Lisp. Lisp was considered as early language of AI. In 1958, the father of this AI, John McCarthy, he developed this language called Lisp. Lisp was basically it's a list processing language. Means basic data structure that we use in the program is the list. Means everything we have to represent in the form of a list. So but it has some limitations. So very limited number of libraries, computationally very slow compared to the other things. Lisp gradually lost its charm, and only the few basic AI models or algorithms were used to develop in Lisp. Lisp used a concept called recursion. Means everything we design in terms of recursion. That is also one drawback of this Lisp. And after Lisp in 1972, Prolog was introduced. Prolog is also, earlier days it was considered as a good AI language where it's based on a basic formal language. Formal language means here the instructions, everything, logic we represent in Prolog based on facts and rules. So we have to collect the set of facts, and based on those facts we prepare the rules and we infer the new things. Still Prolog has also some limitations. So so early days AI applications are not that much powerful. So at that in that time these languages served the basic requirements. But as the time changes, there is a rise of new programming languages in the AI field. So one of the popular language that we use currently in the AI field, most of us industry standard language is considered as a Python, which has become one of the standard language in AI. Python is very easy to use. It is simple, readable language. Many extensive libraries are available in Python. So any developer who wants to develop a algorithm, he can easily develop the code with the help of a Python. Python offers many built-in libraries to help the AI developers, like it comes up with NumPy, Keras, PyTorch and Scikit. There are many features in Python. Because of that, Python has become primary language for AI developers. Another language after Python, C++ also is considered, you can take it as a AI language because C supports hardware control of the program. AI devices that require hardware level control, they can develop the models with the help of C++. Latest TensorFlow frameworks, they also offer the APIs for C++, and there is a computer vision applications. They take the OpenCV API is also available in C++. So C++ is also gaining popularity, especially because of its performance. Comparing to Python is slow because Python applications, they run slow because that is based on some interpreter level. But C programs, they are somewhat faster and hardware level they work. So many people are preferring C language. So JavaScript is also another trending language. Many libraries are available now in Java, like brain.js, ml5.js. These APIs are bringing life to the JavaScript. So complex algorithms can be written in JavaScript right now. And Julia is another latest language that is taking popularity. Using Julia language also, there are many scientific computations and mathematical computations we can perform. Another language that is taking popularity is Scala. Scala is based on, basically it runs on the background JVM machine only. It takes the help of the ease of Java syntax with powerful APIs. Scala is also slowly taking popularity. Right now many of the platforms like Netflix, they are using Scala in their platform with the Kafka messaging systems. Even Uber also, they are using Scala in their platform with a Michelingo database. So slowly big organization, they are moving towards Scala. Golang is also, it is taking a new paradigm. It is coming up with new paradigm in artificial intelligence environments. Coming to Java, Java was always it had very high level machine learning libraries. AI developers, they used to develop models with the Java. There are some popular Java machine learning libraries. Weka, it was earlier days of Java. This was a popular library. Many classification, association, clustering applications, so they used this Weka as their core library. Adams is also another library for data management. Java ML, Mahout, Rapid Manner, Neurof, Elki, JSTAT, Deep Learning, Stanford Core NLP. These libraries made Java is one of the important player in this AI programming environment. Other than these languages, coming to the Java, after Java, R is also, it has its base in the AI. Many mathematical applications and scientific computation programs, now they are preferring R because R comes up with many packages that supports the AI developer. Like data analysis and visual, R comes up with the packages of data analysis and visualization, and R comes with machine learning. It has a deep learning packages, open source community packages, and open source community means it's not a package, I say it's a community that is supporting our language. If any problem arises at any time, this community will help us for solving those issues. There are many packages for statistical analysis. So R is also gaining popularity in AI environment. So and Mojo is another new language that that is also based on your Java syntax type, very easy syntax. It is like a Scala type. Mojo also slowly, it is easy to learn and easy to code. It is taking popularity. MATLAB is always there. MATLAB is a math work language. Many engineers for over 2-3 decades, they are using MATLAB in their designs. Many AI algorithms, they are using mathematical works using MATLAB. They are being designed in MATLAB. So now in AI field, it offers many high level computations. So Kotlin and Swift, they are also taking slowly, they are taking popularity. Kotlin comes up with a high end ML libraries where they are running in the browsers. So these evaluation of these languages made performance of AI algorithms, they took it as a next level. Other than these languages, we have frameworks, libraries and frameworks in the AI. So Google has created one framework called TensorFlow in 2001, And there is another framework, Keras, which is works on neural network things. This Keras works on top of TensorFlow. Keras deep learning applications that are developed on Keras, now they can easily run on TensorFlow. So these provide very high level APIs, means you can develop with the help of these APIs in any language. Almost every language has integrated with this TensorFlow. So we can easily build the models, run the algorithms, analyze the algorithms, visualize the data that we processed, and these support high level of GPU processings and TPU processings. So nowadays developing a AI model, training the model and predicting, these things become very easy with the introduction of these TensorFlow and Keras. So TensorFlow ecosystem comes up with a different set of APIs. Like as I said, C language, they are giving one API to C language. So developers who want to develop a AI code in C, they can also take with the help of Tensor API. So Tensor comes up with very custom built-in models. Means already there are pre-built models, pre-built and trained models for every use case in the environment. So those models means just a drag and drop for a new use case is there. Developing application is very easy. TensorFlow also comes up with one visualization tool called TensorBoard. That is also help for the predicting the results of a model. So the application that want to run on the mobiles and other lightweight devices, light processing devices, they can take the help of a TensorFlow Lite. So TensorFlow Hub, some model for pre-trained model. So these TensorFlow works in a distributed environment with the different kinds of GPUs and TPUs. So this has become an industry standard for developing the AI models and training the models. Another popular framework that provides all kinds of APIs and services for a developer to develop efficient program is PyTorch. It is developed by Facebook. So it is also one of the leading ML framework. A developer from the scratch, he can from the starting point of application, he can develop entire logic of the application with the help of PyTorch. Other than those frameworks, recently AI specific libraries, means natural language processing libraries also gaining popularity. There are two popular languages like Hugging Face and Spacy. Hugging Face transformers, they have very huge number of data sets, around 1,50,000 data sets, and a lot of models that are pre-trained models. It's something like a GitHub of these AI models. GPT and BET, many models are they developed with the help of Hugging Face transformers. So these transformers helps in generating text generation, translation, question answering type of applications. They can use Hugging Face transformers. So another popular library in natural language processing is the Spacy. It is also gaining popularity. So it has optimized performance comparing to other frameworks. So we can develop advanced language processing applications with the help of a Spacy. So other than this, some domain specific like mathematical computation process, we can use the Wolfram language. It's a Wolfram research, and for small devices which has a limited bandwidth, limiting processing power, they can go for Google's TensorFlow Lite. And new platforms are also being introduced in AI field. Google's AutoML, Azure machine learning, Microsoft, these they are also providing all kinds of infrastructure for a AI developer. Even low code or no code, means almost everything is available. We can easily develop the code, our model, AI models very easily. So these are some developments that are happening in AI language and AI field. Thank you.